Hey everyone, it's your girl TrueeBeautyy7 and I'm coming back at y'all with another video, and it is on this beautiful wig that I have on right now. This is my first ever wig unboxing slash review, so I really hope I do it justice, and I hope I do a good enough job for you guys because this hair is so beautiful. I did try to film this video before, but I didn't like my energy in it. I felt like I was very low energy, which I'm not. Like, I'm not having a bad day today, so I don't know why my attitude came across like that. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this wig that I have on is from oh my god, it's by Zuri Hollywood, and it is their Beyond Your Imagination collection. Sorry, I had the wig packaging sitting across from me. So her name is Harry, and this is the card. I can't think of the name that everybody said, but yeah, this is the card that comes with the wig, so you know which wig you're getting. And it is a lace frontal, and the color is SOMRT, some RT rose. I think that's how you say it, and I'm dropping everything. I drop something in every video that I film. Oh my god. And I have lipstick gucking up, so that's fun. That's how my day is going. Okay, anyways, back to this beautiful unit right here. So yeah, I originally saw Trendy K with this wig, and I wanted the color that she had, which is Blossom. I thought it was so pretty. It's more of a purple tone, whereas this one is more pink. So I tried to find it, but then I saw, hold on, let me go in my phone. But then I saw Glam Shea with this one, and I will leave pictures of them in the video. And I saw her with the rose one, and I thought it was equally as pretty as the blossom color, which I originally wanted. So I bought this one, and then it came in the mail, and I was so excited because I've always wanted a pink wig. I just didn't know like where I had a good one. So yeah, I bought this wig off of Ebony line, and it came within I think it processed for like 2 days, and then it came within like 48 hours, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, I thought that was super great, considering the processing time. I thought it was going to take longer because I think it said 3 to 8 days, and I thought it was going to take the full 8 days. But anyways, so this is a lace frontal unit. I did pluck the part. It originally comes like super close together, which you don't want when you're wearing a wig. And then I put some foundation powder, which I'm gonna include clips from the previous video that I tried to film in this one, since I feel like I have better energy in this one. Like I said, I don't know why I came off so low energy the first time I tried to film, because I'm not having a bad day. So yeah, what else do I need to cover? Okay, the length. I did previously film the length of this wig, so that clip should be popping up right now. Editing magic. So yeah, what else should I cover? Oh, it doesn't tangle that much. Well, it obviously, because it is a super long wig and because it is synthetic, you are gonna have tangling. And you do need to carry a brush with you, whether it's a tangle teaser, a paddle brush, whatever you use to detangle. I would say have one of those with you. It does not have a lot of shedding, like finger combing it. A lot of hair does not come out, maybe like 1 or 2 strands, and that's about it. What else? I always feel like I have a brain fart because I know what I'm gonna say before I film, and then I have a brain fart when I'm filming. So it seems like I never know what I'm gonna say. So I feel like maybe I should start writing down what I want to say in my videos, and then you know, I won't be so all over the place is what I'm trying to say. I think that's all I need to cover. But yeah, this wig is so beautiful. If you like it and you love long hair, like long hair is your jam, then I would really suggest getting it. If long hair isn't something that you enjoy, I would still recommend getting it. I think it's a beautiful color, and I think it would suit anyone, especially girls that are darker than me, because I've always been scared to try like bright colors or bold colors because of my skin tone, but I feel like I need to let that go and just wear what I feel comfortable in, wear what I think is pretty, and I think this wig is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, don't be afraid to wear hair colors. Oh yeah, I also added baby hairs. They didn't stay down because I did put on my makeup after I filmed the first video, and my brush kind of got in it, but this one stayed, so that's great. But yeah, you can basically do whatever you want to. Like, you could add baby hairs, as many or as little as you want. I just added these two. I think I'm gonna add one more on this side. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say on this unit. I will be testing it out for a little while and then come back for like a full-on review and tell you guys how it wears outside, considering inside, because I'm not doing anything today. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video, and the next video will also be a wig unboxing / review. Excuse me. So if like bright colors aren't your thing and you're not interested in trying them, the next wig that I'm going to be reviewing is a 1B, which is an off black color, and it is from the same company, and I ordered it from the same website, and my lash is lifting up on the inner corner. So yeah, if this one is like completely not your thing and you know you're not gonna get it, just wait for the next video, which should be up in a couple of days. Yeah, I'm gonna try and pump out more videos for you guys. If there's any other wigs you want me to try, then I will try to buy them. Just leave them down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel before you leave, because I'm awesome and I'm also very awkward. I'm very cheesy, and I need to stop talking now because this is becoming more awkward than it should be. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!